When you get your hands on either soft or hardwood boards, you want to get rid of some of the imperfections present and make all the boards the same size and thickness. The planer thicknesser combines two functions into one unit and allows you to do just that. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best thickness planer from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWAL Thickness Planer DW735X. The DeWAL Thickness Planer DW735X stands as a pinnacle of power and efficiency tailored to the needs of woodworkers requiring substantial cuts. Featuring a robust 13-inch 3-knife configuration and a high-performance 20,000 RPM motor, this planer exhibits prowess even against the most challenging materials. Its dual-speed functionality offers versatility in the cutting process, complemented by the inclusion of feed tables and supplementary blades, rendering it a comprehensive solution. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an enthusiastic hobbyist, the DeWAL Thickness Planer guarantees consistently smooth and accurate cuts, ensuring satisfaction with every woodworking endeavor. Number 2. WEN PL1252 Benchtop Thickness Planer. The WEN PL1252 Benchtop Thickness Planer emerges as a woodworking aficionado's dream, boasting an impressive 15-amp motor and a dual-blade system. This powerhouse effortlessly refines rough lumber, delivering impeccably uniform boards for diverse projects. A staple for woodworking enthusiasts, its compact benchtop design facilitates seamless integration into any workshop setup. Furthermore, the adjustable depth control mechanism enables meticulous precision in every cut. Whether tackling a modest DIY endeavor or embarking on a grand professional undertaking, this thickness planer epitomizes reliability and adaptability, promising stellar outcomes with each application. Number 3. Craftsman Planer for Benchtop CMEW320. Engineered for benchtop utility, the Craftsman Planer for Benchtop CMEW320 emerges as a formidable companion for woodworking ventures. Sporting a potent 15-amp motor and a sturdy 2-knife solid steel cutter head, this planer is adept at tackling an array of woodworking tasks with finesse. Whether smoothing rough lumber or crafting bespoke pieces, its compact profile facilitates effortless storage and transportation. Moreover, the inclusion of adjustable infeed and outfeed tables ensures meticulous precision and accuracy throughout operations, making it an indispensable tool for woodworkers seeking exceptional results. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.